What's up, guys? This is RMP Reckless Red. Today's Thursday, and we have a surprise for y'all today.
So get ready, because we're gonna wreck something. Oh.
Man, what happened? That plastic?
Hit it hard. Hey guys, so he just got done wrecking a car. So this is the aftermath that he did. He took the hood off. There's glass everywhere. He tried cutting this, but I don't know, this material like too crazy to cut. So these are like what it used to be here. Yeah, and this is what it looks like now. Got the glass and everything. This is the hood right here. The fenders. There we go. He still wants to wreck things. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is like totally bent right now, right here. Crazy. Okay, and then just the other side. Cut the doors. I cut everything basically. Everything. The door doesn't even close anymore. It's junk now. So, yep. Guys, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you know, anything you want to say? Did you have fun?
Yep, I did.
So we have another challenge coming up tomorrow. We post videos every day, so make sure you share with everyone. It's gonna be a good video tomorrow. A lot of spicy stuff, so make sure you check up on that. Check out the first video that we just put from Batman Must Die. Bye guys.